channel. Today I'm unboxing the Realme X2. Realme box also so same. Okay, don't waste your time, let's open the box first. Box front side mobile phone here, it's looking quite good. More Type-C cable and AC adapter here. Realme X2 has been formally launched in China days after being a part of various teasers. The new Realme phone, which is an successor to the Realme X but a new variant of the Realme XT that was launched in India earlier this month, sports a quad camera setup at the back that houses a 64-megapixel primary sensor. The Realme X2 also flaunts a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that includes an in-display fingerprint sensor. Further, the smartphone is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC, which is specifically designed to deliver enhanced gaming experiences. The Realme X2 additionally includes VOOC 4.0 flash charge technology that is claimed to enable a faster charging experience than the VOOC 3.0 technology featured on the Realme XT. Realme X2 runs Android 9 Pie with ColorOS 6 on top and features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus 1080x2340 pixels Super AMOLED display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 91.9% screen to body ratio, and a water drop style notch. The smartphone comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and includes the in-display fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC, coupled with 6GB and 8GB LPDDR4X RAM options. For photos and videos, the Realme X2 sports the quad-rear camera setup that comprises a 64-megapixel primary Samsung GW1 sensor with a 6x f/1.8 lens. The setup also includes an 8-megapixel secondary sensor with a wide-angle, 119° f/2.25 lens, 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel sensor for 4 cm macro shots. To support selfies, the Realme X2 has a 32-megapixel sensor at the front. Both rear and front sensors also have eyes, electronic image stabilization, support for videos. The Realme X2 has 64GB and 128GB of onboard UF.
The sun come up, ganja smoking, we got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance floor, all the girls wind up.